Well, that could be scary. In this video, I want to show you how I use the reps and how I transition between my setups, how I use 3 different setups, all starting with a potato pose. Why I do this is because I want to make sure that the baby is happy and I get variation into my poses as much as I can. As you see in here, the first rep which I had was the yellow rep. I took it down and then I had the second rep underneath, this brown rep, and I put the baby in my first setup, all brown tone setups. As you see here, baby, it's calm at this stage. I take lots of pictures of him from the top, from the side. You'll see that in a second. And he looks happy. Also, I tried to put a teddy bear into his hands, and the baby had a little bit of colic. So having this wrap around him made him very secure and happy. And here are the results. I think he's super cute. After the first setup, I moved on the second setup, a white setup. And this is where I removed the brown wrap, and then the baby has the first layer of wrap on him, the white one. This is where I take the legs out. As you see again, baby, it's a little bit unsettled, but with gentle moves, I make him happy again. I want to make sure that the light is in the right angle and everything around him looks good. As you see in here, he's super calm. Even though at some stage he wake up, I managed to calm him down because being wrapped in this way, he can't push his legs, he can't push his arms. So he feels like it's kind of in his mom's tummy. I like changing hats and adding different props to my setups, just a little bit of variation. Please make sure that the light is in the right position also. In this way you have less work to do in Photoshop. Here are some after editing images, and I hope you love them as much as I do. The last setup, it's a blue setup, and my baby, it's in white. So what I've done, pretty much, I just pushed his hands underneath his chin over his chest. I pushed them down gently, and then I covered the white wrap with the blue wrap. If you go into my previous videos, you'll see this wrap technique. It's called round, round, and about. And it's also a great wrap just to overlay on the top. Now you see I move the baby back and forward, but my movement is very slowly, is not as fast as you see it. I speed up this video. If not, you will have been staying on this video for 20 minutes. So between the 3 setups, it was about 22 minutes, and right now I condensed the video at 5 minutes. So it's on speed up a little bit. Again, I put wraps, and here you can see I left the video to go on the normal speed, and you see I move gently. I try to go with gentle moves, and when I put the hat, I go slowly so the baby is happy. I take a shot and then I perfect my pose. You've seen I rotate baby's head towards me, towards the camera, so I can see the entire baby's face. And I will show you another angle from the top, and you see how beautiful and calm he is. By using these 3 different reps and 3 different props, I make sure that I have enough images for parents to choose and select their images. Please remember that all this wrapping technique, you can find them in my previous videos, so go and enjoy them. Also, my next video tutorial, it's how to pose the babies with the siblings and also with family. So don't forget to give me a like on this video if you enjoy it, and share it with your friends. Invite more friends to watch my videos, because this will help me to create more. I can't wait to hear your feedback, and see you into the next one.